Is that a business card in your laundry basket? Ever dug through your dirty clothes and stumbled upon a random business card? Maybe it's for that plumber who unclogged your kitchen sink last month, or the landscaper who finally tamed your overgrown jungle of a backyard. It's a familiar situation, this strange mingling of business and personal life. But what if that business card wasn't for a plumber or a landscaper, but for your bank? Specifically, a bank called Tide that offers business bank accounts? Intriguing, right? Because let's face it, shoving financial services into the same category as laundry detergent feels a little off. So, is a Tide account a business account? The answer, like most things in finance, isn't quite as simple as a yes or no. But fear not, intrepid entrepreneurs and laundry enthusiasts alike, because we're about to dive deep into the murky waters of Tide banking and see if it's the right fit for your business needs. First things first, a little clarification. The Tide we're talking about here isn't the one that promises brighter whites and fresher smells. This Tide is a financial technology company, a fintech for short, offering banking services specifically designed for small businesses, freelancers, and sole traders. Now, the business account part starts to make a little more sense. But here's the kicker, Tide doesn't operate like a traditional bank. They're what's known as an electronic money institution, or EMI. Essentially, that means they partner with a real bank to hold your money, but they handle all the account management and app-based features themselves. So, what does that mean for you, the potential Tide account holder? Well, for starters, it means a super speedy sign-up process. No more waiting weeks for approvals or getting tangled up in mountains of paperwork. Tide boasts you can be up and running with a business account in just a few minutes. Another perk? No monthly account fees. That's right, you can ditch those pesky charges that seem to mysteriously drain your business funds. Of course, there's always a catch, and with Tide, it's transaction fees. These kick in after a certain number of free transactions each month, so be sure to factor those into your budgeting. But wait, there's more. Tide throws in some pretty cool features that traditional banks might charge extra for. Think things like invoicing tools to send out those payment requests and get paid faster, integrations with popular accounting software, and even a business debit card, complete with the ability to create separate employee cards for managing expenses. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Is Tide the right fit for every business? Probably not. If you're a large corporation with a team of accountants and a hefty cash flow, then a traditional bank with a wider range of services might be a better option. But for the solopreneur juggling invoices on the kitchen table or the budding online business owner, Tide could be a game changer. It's a streamlined, user-friendly platform that keeps your business finances separate from your personal expenses, all without the hassle and fees of traditional banking. So there you have it. The mystery of the Tide business account is no more. It's a modern take on business banking, perfect for those who value speed, convenience, and keeping things simple. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking, and may your business ventures be as fresh and clean as your Tide washed laundry.